What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, it's Al here. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, how long does a Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery last? The Toyota Yaris Hybrid has become a favorite for eco-conscious drivers looking for a car that balances fuel efficiency and performance. However, as with all hybrid vehicles, one of the main concerns for potential buyers is how long the hybrid battery will last. In this video, I'll dive into everything you need to know about the lifespan of a Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery, what factors affect its longevity, and how you can get the most out of it. What type of battery does the Toyota Yaris Hybrid use? The Toyota Yaris Hybrid is powered by a nickel metal hydride NiMH battery, which works in tandem with a petrol engine to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. This battery is key to the vehicle's hybrid system, allowing the Yaris to switch between electric and petrol power depending on the driving conditions. It's a complex yet effective system, but as with any battery, its performance will eventually diminish over time. So that leads us to the question, how long does the Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery last? On average, a Yaris Hybrid battery is expected to last between 8 and 10 years, or approximately 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Toyota itself provides a warranty of up to 8 years or 100,000 miles for the hybrid battery, which offers peace of mind for owners. However, many drivers report that the hybrid batteries can last even longer with proper care and regular maintenance. Factors that affect the lifespan of a hybrid battery. 1. Driving patterns. The way you drive has a significant impact on how your hybrid battery will last. Short trips with lots of stop-start traffic can wear down the battery faster as the hybrid system constantly switches between electric and petrol power. On the other hand, longer journeys at consistent speeds put less strain on the battery and allow it to recharge more efficiently using regenerative braking. 2. Climate conditions. Extreme weather, whether hot or cold, can also affect the lifespan of your hybrid battery. High temperatures can cause the battery to overheat, while very cold weather can reduce its efficiency. Hybrid batteries perform best in moderate climates, so if you live in an area with harsh weather, you may notice a shorter lifespan. 3. Regular maintenance. Like any part of a vehicle, the hybrid battery benefits from regular maintenance. Ensuring that the battery cooling system is working properly and having your vehicle serviced according to the manufacturer's guidelines can help extend its lifespan. Neglecting maintenance can result in the battery degrading faster than expected. Signs your Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery might need replacing. As with any part of the car, hybrid batteries don't last forever, and there are some clear signs that yours may be on its way out. Here's what to look for. Reduce fuel efficiency. If you start noticing that your fuel economy isn't what it used to be, it could be a sign that the hybrid battery isn't holding a charge as well as it should. Unusual sounds. If you hear strange noises coming from the rear of your car where the battery is located, it could be a sign that something isn't right. Warning lights. Keep an eye on the dashboard. If the check hybrid system light comes on, it's a clear indication that there may be an issue with the battery. Sluggish performance. A declining hybrid battery may cause your car to feel less responsive, particularly when switching between electric and petrol power. How to extend the life of your Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery. While the Toyota Yaris battery is designed to last for many years, there are some steps you can take to help maximize its lifespan. Number 1. Drive smart. Avoid unnecessary short trips and try to drive at a consistent speed when possible. 2. Use regenerative braking. The Yaris Hybrid uses regenerative braking to recharge the battery while driving, but allowing the car to coast and gently applying the brake when needed, you can make the most of this feature. Keeping the battery cool. Ensure the battery cooling system is functioning correctly, especially if you live in a warmer climate. This can prevent overheating and extend the life of the battery. Regular servicing. Stick to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule to ensure your hybrid system, including the battery, is in good working order. What does it cost to replace a Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery? The cost of replacing a Yaris Hybrid battery can vary depending on where you go and whether you opt for a brand new or refurbished battery. On average, a new battery can cost anywhere from £1,000 to £2,500, depending on labour costs and where the work is carried out. Some drivers opt for refurbished batteries, which can be a more cost-effective solution, typically ranging between £500 and £1,200. While replacing the battery may seem expensive, it's worth considering the overall cost savings you'll make in fuel over the life of the car. Plus, the Toyota Yaris Hybrid is generally known for its reliability, meaning other maintenance costs are likely to be low in comparison. Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery warranty. One of the big advantages of buying a Toyota Hybrid is the comprehensive warranty that comes with the hybrid battery. In the UK, Toyota offers an 8-year or 100,000 mile warranty on the hybrid battery, which can give drivers peace of mind. Additionally, Toyota provides an option for annual hybrid checks. After the initial 8-year warranty, if your car passes the annual hybrid health check, the battery warranty can be extended by 1 year or 10,000 miles, up to a maximum of 15 years. Environmental benefits of hybrid batteries. In addition to the financial benefits, hybrid batteries also offer significant environmental advantages. The Toyota Yaris Hybrid produces far fewer CO2 emissions compared to conventional petrol or diesel cars, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. And when the battery does eventually reach the end of its life, it can be recycled, ensuring that the environmental impact is kept to a minimum. FAQs. How long does the hybrid battery typically last? The average lifespan is about 8 to 10 years, or around 100,000 to 150,000 miles, though some can last longer with proper care. What happens when the hybrid battery dies? If the battery fails, your Toyota Yaris will no longer be able to switch between electric and petrol power, and you may experience reduced performance and fuel efficiency. Is it worth replacing the battery, or should I consider a new car? In most cases, replacing the battery is one of the more cost-effective options, especially if the rest of the vehicle is in good condition. How can I check the health of my hybrid battery? Toyota offers annual hybrid health checks as part of their maintenance program, which will provide a detailed report on the battery's condition. If you bought the car with Car Nights, you could also come back to us within a year of purchasing the vehicle, and we can check the battery and other parts of the car for you for free as well. In summary, the Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery is designed to last many years and can offer significant cost savings over the long term. With proper care and regular maintenance, you can ensure that your battery serves you well beyond its warranty period. If you're considering a hybrid vehicle, the Yaris is an excellent option for those looking to combine performance, fuel efficiency, and environmental benefits. Are you looking to buy a new used car? Contact us today and we can help you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what your thoughts are on the video, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.